All right, I got some lights, some LED lights I got to install. So from Lasfit. So let's get the camera down and get into it. Okay, there they are. There's the low beams and the fog lights. Fog lights in the bumper. I don't know if you can see how yellow looking they are. They're halogen bulbs. So I'm going to be switching them to LED. So let me hit the high beams and show you how they look. All right, there's the high beams. That's not really coming out too clear on camera here, how yellow looking they are, but you'll see a difference. And I didn't know that, but when you turn the high beams on, it turns the fog lights off. But you'll see a difference when I get them switched out to LEDs. And there is the cargo lights up there. I don't know, let me look and see. Let's see, I got a light in my bed. I think it's already an LED. And you can see how yellow looking that is. I'll be switching that out too, hopefully. Okay, here they are. Hopefully you can see all of this. This is supposed to be all the external lights, or yeah, exterior, not external, exterior lights that's on my truck. So I didn't pay for these. They sent these to me to check out. So let's get some of them installed. Okay, I got the tail light out on the driver's side. This is the tailgate assist strut that I put in one of the videos. Got to check it out. Tailgate just is held in with them two screws and two screws and two tabs. A screw here and a tab, and a screw here and a tab. The tab is one of these. There's nothing to it. Okay, this is the brake light, tail light. This is the backup light and the turn signal bulb. As you can see, I already got let's lay it down. I got the brake light bulb out. You just push in and twist, and locks in. This, hopefully it fits, is what goes back with it. Now the package says, or their website says, this won't work with trucks, but yet this is what they sent me, so we're going to find out. And I don't know if it goes in a certain way for polarity. So they just push in and twist is all it is. This here is the, what did I say this was? The center is the backup light. Let's see which one of these is supposed to be the backup light. Got it all written down here. It must be 5 is backup light. This one. Don't know. We're going to see. Huh. We'll see in a minute, right? What the heck? And that bulb right there almost looks blown anyway. This is the backup light. Not really. It's amber, so what light would that be? Turn signal. And number 3 is supposed to be turn signal. Oh, that might be. a directional deal. So let's put it over here, plug it in, and then turn the lights on and see if they all work. Okay, I got the headlight back in. I don't have it, the screws in it or the push tabs or whatever you call those things. We're just gonna turn the lights on and let you see how bright they are. Okay, that's just the tail lights. We go over here to this side. And you can't even hardly see that side. It's so dim compared to this side. Now hit the brakes. Look how bright that is compared to this side. Big difference. There's a turn signal. Oh wow, that's really bright. Yeah, you see the difference? All right, now she's gonna crank it up, put it in reverse. It's gonna be loud. See how bright that is? Look how yellow looking that one is. It's a big difference. Wow. All right, so let me put these screws and tabs, push tabs in, and take that headlight or tail light out and do it. And then I'll come back. Okay, I'm over here on the passenger side, taking these 2 screws and these push tabs out. I didn't really show them over there taking them out because it's just push tabs. You should know how to do that. So let's see if I can get these out. They're kind of a pain in the rump. Without tearing them up. I thought I bought some, but they're different. They're not the same. These have never been out, so they're a pain in the butt. So let me get them out. Okay, as you can see, got the tail light out. Yes, it's hot, but I'm still drinking my coffee. Anyway, as you can see over here, brake light, backup light, turn signal. You just twist and pull. These just pull out. And in fact, that one looks like it's about blown too. Okay, let's see, which one is this? That was brake light, right? All right, backup light. Where is the other backup light? Right here. This should be turn signal. Okay, battery went dead. And I'm going to stick it over there and test it and see if it works. Okay, as you can see, I already replaced the bulbs. Can you see them in here? The LEDs. These just come out just like the other ones. They come in a 2-pack, so that's why I got one left. There's only one brake light. They are bright. Now I will say these are, I guess, polarity. You got to, because when I put them all 3 in, they didn't work. So I had to take them out and turn them around and stick them in, and now they work. So, and it's just held in with 4 screws. So let me get it screwed back in, then I'll show you how bright it is. Okay, I'm going to show you how bright. It's going to be kind of hard to tell because, you know, it's daylight, but Anyway, you're going to be looking at the two outside lights, the clear ones. Open the door. They are a lot brighter than they used to be. Shut the door. Hit the brake. Oh, you really can't tell much on camera, but that is a lot brighter. Okay, let's go down here and check these. Wait, let's zoom back out. There we go. All right, turn the tail lights. Left blinker. That is a lot brighter. Right. Hit the brakes. Oh yeah, much better. All right, got to put my little handy step back up. Didn't really need that before the lift, but now we kind of do. Oops, I missed. There you go. Okay, as you can see, I got the whole front end tore apart again. I didn't show all that because you already seen me do all that in the video with me installing those grill lights. If you want to see how to take all this apart, go watch that video. If I think about it, I'll put a card and you can click on it and it'll take you right to that video. I got this bulb already replaced. It is, if I can find it, this little teeny tiny bulb. Even though it goes in that big old honking housing right here, it's just a, what is it, T10? It's just this little tiny bulb right here. Okay. Now I've already got out of here, it goes right here, the turn signal bulb. That's supposedly is a switchback bulb. It's going to be white when the turn signal's not on and flash amber, obviously, when it is on. And it replaces that bulb. You see there's a big difference. I hope it fits. We'll see. And then, of course, high beams and low beams. So, let me get these installed and then I'll take the other headlight out and do it. Okay, just got done installing the other LEDs. Now it's time to install the fairing, high beams and low beams. And I'm going to install these as fog lights. So I'm going to go ahead and do this while I got the headlights out of the truck and the whole front of the truck tore apart. Okay, I got the headlights in. I just got them sitting there. I still got to put everything up, bolt everything up, and put the grill and all back in, obviously. But I'm just going to turn the lights on to show you. Now you see that light way down there under the headlight. I still got to put it in place. We're not looking at anything but the headlights. Go over here to this side. You see how this side is different because it's already got the LEDs in it. High beams. There you go. All right. Fog lights. Top button on the headlight switch. There you go. You see how freaking bright that is? That's awesome. On this side. Oh, just put that anywhere. So, let me get everything put back together and I'll show you after I'm done. Okay, I got the other bulb. I'm going to go over here to the truck. I already got this bulb replaced. You see the new Lasfit bulb? Hopefully it works. I haven't checked it, or did I? I don't remember. Now let's go back over here. Around the table, and let's put this one in. And this big old honking thing. And hopefully I put it in right, because when I did the other side, it didn't work. So we'll see. And why is it not going back in? Very good question. should. There it goes. Now let me get the headlight over there and plug it up and make sure it works. You see, it's really bright out here. As you can see, that LED is on. Turn signal. That LED is working. Now, I don't know what happened here. You see that scuff mark? That kind of looks like it's on the inside. But then, I don't know. That ain't always been there, so I don't know what happened there. Let's go over here. Look at this side one more time. Turn it off. See how that stays lit? White. Awesome. Does this side stay lit? Yes, it does. Awesome. You see the bulb in there, way in there? Sweet. Okay, now that all the LED bulbs are installed, the high beams, low beams, fog lights, and all that, I got to put everything back together. The grill and all that back in the truck. So let me do that, and I'll come back. All right, I'm going to show you the lights. It's dark outside except for that big old light over there. But anyway, go ahead and turn the lights on. That was cool. Did y'all notice that on them boost auto steps? That is the tail lights. They are super, super bright. Open the door. Look at the lights up on the top of the cab. Those lights up there is super, super bright. Okay, shut it. Hit the brakes. Super bright. That looks awesome. Left turn. Holy crap, that is bright. Right. Let me walk over here. Wow, I can't believe how bright these Lasfit light bulbs are. These things are nice. I like them. All right, let me go around to the front. All right, that's just the headlights. The outside ones are the low beams. The small inside one is the high beams. Let me come up here and show you. Not this one. This is the actual turn signal. This is the high beams. So hit the high beams. Holy crap. That is bright as you know what. Okay. Fog lights. That is bright too. That is freaking awesome. All right. Turn signal. All right. You see how it goes back to white? Turn signal. That is awesome. Love it. Love it. Love it. Super bright. And of course, you know, I got lights up there on the mirrors too. Sweet. Okay, well, that's the install video of the LED bulbs I got from Lasfit. Like I said, I didn't pay for them. They sent them to me to review or install and test them out. So I appreciate that. They are awesome. They're really, really bright. And I was going to make two different videos of the high beam, low beam, and fog light install of the fairing lights. But it wasn't a very long video, and I didn't want to record or show me taking all the grill and all that crap apart. It was just about installing the lights or the bulbs, not taking the grill apart and all that. And you don't have to do that to take the headlights out. Well, to take the headlights out, you do, but to install these, you don't have to take the headlights out of the truck. You can get to it. It's more of a pain in the butt, but you can get to it with the headlights still in the truck. I took them out so I could video it for video purposes, so it would be easier to show you. And when you install the bulbs, you got to make sure they're at 3 and 9 because the LED chips are on the side, one on this side, one on this side. Make sure they're at 3 and 9 for the best beam, according to the instructions anyway. So that's all I got for this video. Hope you liked it. They turned out awesome. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.